Got it here 5 more 2021 Microtech knives. Let's see what I got. First of all, I got it here Direct Delta Distress Blue Apocalyptic Stand. So I paid $490. Just a local store over here. So let's see what it's all about. Microtech knives actually don't have the safety, and this one is automatic. There's a date on them right here, 03/2021, serial number and stuff. Clip, pretty soft, window breaker, and the safety built in itself. You really have to push it, as you can see, and it's a long push. Check out that blade. It is so fun. Pull, 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 and comes out. There's a blade, Delta Direct, M390 USA, so made in USA, I guess. Yep. But I love that blue. I guess they call it desert blue, and it's kind of like a washed out blue, so it seems to be you've been using it quite a bit. I love Microtech knives. Big knife, perfect for my big hands. Love it. Okay, let's see what else we have. Okay, this one is UTX70 Hellhand Signature Series Damascus Standard Copper Top Ringed Hardware, and there's all that good stuff. So let's see what it's about. So this is one of those kind of like a limited edition. You see that little knife on it. 06/2021, serial number is 14. Also has, I guess, window breaker, and this is the copper finish. Beautiful, very rustic, also designed to be looking old. And there's a push button on it, and again, safety built in itself. As you can see, you really have to pull. Soft pull and then a harder pull, and you gotta push it all the way in. And there is a Damascus steel, as you can see. Beautiful. This is pretty collectible. Push it back. Same way pushing it back, it takes quite a bit to push it back. So you won't automatically, by mistake, push it back. You really have to pull. That's nice. What do you guys think about this? Like everyday care mini knife. Beautiful. These knives age really well. They usually appreciate in value. Like that a lot. Ooh, really hard to pull. There you go. That's my first Microtech knife, limited edition one. I like it a lot. That one was a little bit more expensive, $850. Okay, let's keep on going. Let's see what else we have here. UTX80 TE Signature Series Jade Green G10 Composite Top, full serrated numbers, serial numbers and everything. Oh, that one is kind of cool too. How much did I pay for this one? Oh, $540. Looks like they put the label on here. And this one kind of like a see-through, and it has a signature 09/2021 serial number. Ooh, as you can see, soft, and then it gets harder. Check this out. So you got a serrated side and a regular flat. Definitely plenty of automatic safety. You really have to push into it for it to fly out. But I love it that it's a see-through, so you can actually see all this little mechanism going. You see it? Not fully see-through, it's kind of like transparent a little bit. So whenever you pull it out, you can actually see the pieces flying. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's not the easiest thing to pull. This is nice. So built-in safety. I really like that one a lot. Also the blade blackened, and it also has this like a steel look to it. so outlining the knife. Beautiful. Okay, next one, so you need to back up the camera because it's a little bit bigger. This one is iconic, 380. I paid $380. Ooh, big bucks. So this is a fixed blade. Check out this really cool clip. So the way it works, you got push it and then release it, and then you put it to the belt, backpack loop, lock it. And then if you don't want it to push by itself and lose it, you just lock it in right here and it will lock it in. It will not go anywhere. I really like that clip a lot. Okay, how do we pull this out? Boom. Very thick blade. How would you hold it? I guess like this. I don't know. With my big hands, I guess so, like this. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, you definitely have to put it the finger to like that. Okay, that is not bad. That is very comfortable actually. Took me a minute. Okay, what it says on it: Microtech 06-2021, serial number, USA, iconic. That is beautiful. Looks like a big claw. What do you guys think? This is my first fixed blade Microtech knives. How do we put it back in? Kind of complicated, but I got it. Beautiful. I love the clip too. Okay, next one. We paid $390. Socom Alpha Mini. It doesn't look like Alpha Mini. Socom Alpha Mini TE Stonewash partial serrated. Okay, these big boxes. So hard to open. There you go. Nice. Check this out. Very nice knife holder. Same clip. There is an off, locked, on, so you can put it onto your backpack, belt loop, whatever. And there's a finger push that you pull it out, and there you go. A really thick blade, extremely thick. It's kind of thins out, but it's quite thick. Hefty knife. Where's the balance on this knife? Somewhere around here. So yeah, quite perfect. Very comfortable handle grip. I don't know. Very unique. I'll take it camping for sure. So this is pretty much open carry knife over here. Put it on your belt clip and such. So this one is 06-2021. There you go. Beautiful. I like it. Almost like a throwing knife. It's so heavy. Almost like a brick. I'm holding a really hefty knife. But it seems like a really durable piece of steel. That's a work knife for sure. There you go.